everyone, thank you for joining us today for this 6th day of Christmas. Today's 6 geese are laying. Lisa looked online, but the only thing she could really see that was different was 6 ducks are laying. So not very exciting, pretty much the same sort of animal. So we'll get right to this and see if this has anything different. Here's the Bonne Maman. If I can just get this open. So now's when I really need Lisa to talk over my delaying the time. So this says the alternative is 6 homemade recipes. So fun for that. And the jam for the day is rhubarb strawberry spread. So we're going to enjoy that if it gets into focus. From Bath and Body Works today, we have, some winter candy apple shea butter hand cream. So this will be nice for cold weather. It'll be nice to keep our hands nice. Let's see what the kitties have today. Okay, I'm not very adept at this. They're sealed in nice and tight. Although the kitties have little sayings on the inside also. Today says, make a 2022 custom ornament just for them. And they are going to like today's treat, which is a little fish with a feathery tail. They'll enjoy that, they like feathers. They all have these nice long tags on, so they have the code and information about care, spot clean only, don't put it in the washer or the dryer. But then you need to cut those off so the cats aren't playing with them. Alright, and for our favourite Stitchmas, let's see what we have for day 6. This has been a really fun set. Oh, okay. Not quite sure what this is yet. It's like little houses, maybe it's upside down and they're hearts. Okay, that probably looks better. But it's like it has a little sharp edge. It looks to have a little sharp edge in here. So, let's see, there are some tubes or something in here. Oh, there's a lid. Okay, so it's an empty tube. Not sure about that. There are 4 of them. Hopefully this comes with some instructions. They all have different colour lids. They all sound like they're empty. The red, green, pink and blue. And this is a very fun needle threader. Okay. There aren't any instructions with this. So maybe there will be some instructions tomorrow. Hope so. Because I'm not going to be able to figure out what to do with this, and I've just realized that now the sun has come out, you can see all the lines from the blinds next to me. Sorry about that. The only thing left to tell you is happy day 6. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this. Subscribe below and enjoy some lights from Nights of Lights in St. Augustine. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.
We just came down to Nights of Lights in St. Augustine, and it's beautiful. We walked to the marina and we can see the lighthouse from here. It really is gorgeous down here. I definitely recommend coming to Nights of Lights. I think it runs into January a little bit, so you have quite a way before and after Christmas to see it. So thanks for joining me for today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, please subscribe down below, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas season.